Welcome to the shortwave radio channel, and of course, 24 hours with this ATS-25, and it's fun because it's interesting to see all the comments. Um, if I would have to put my own comment and opinion on what I hear and what I see, all of those that say that this is garbage, they're way out of the league. This is not garbage. And I think part of that is people that are just China bashing. It's actually a very interesting device. Now, it's not on the league of the best devices in the world either. There's some few things, and so this is kind of observations after 24 hours. What I find interesting or not on this device. It's fun to play with, and if you have some cash lying around and just want to have fun, because radio, a lot of what radio is having fun and just trying out stuff. Well, you know what? You want to have fun and try out stuff. You're gonna have fun with this if you purchase one. So whether you want to purchase one or not, yes, out there are for the same price nice portable radios that you could get. We're not here in the league of, well, I should get this rather than. If you're looking for a shortwave radio, this is not what you should get if what you want is just a nice portable to do radio listening. It looks cute, I mean, with the touchscreen and everything. Don't get me wrong. But what I mean is, if you're looking for a decent shortwave portable, this is definitely not something you will get. You should get something else. There are, for the same price, amazing portable receivers like the XH Data slash Coodon D808 and so on. Texan PL330, great portables. This is in a class of radio that is different. And what I mean by that, this is more into the let's have fun with some unique and very different styles of radio receivers that exists. It's in a class of SDRs technically because even though it doesn't have that waterfall with all the signals, it's a computer driven receiver. And this is really a software defined radio. It just doesn't have the classic software defined receiver look. A lot of people are like, well, you should get the Malahit or the Russian. I don't agree with that for a very simple reason. I find that the Malahit, whatever you call it, is not even a decent radio to get, honestly. And that's my personal opinion. And the reason why is it's an SDR that has too small of a screen to be a decent SDR. And I will put the Russian Malahit, the Chinese Malahit, this device into a category of its own that is not worth buying if you're looking for a decent radio in general to bring along with you somewhere. And a lot of people are going to be like, well, you're not right. And it's like, look, this is my opinion. And I do believe these devices are not worth, even the Russian Malahit is not worth buying if you're looking for a decent radio. You want to have fun? Buy a Texan H501X. It's the same price, and that is a high-end receiver that is just amazing. For me, an SDR is a device you plug on a computer with a big screen, not a small thing with a 2-inch screen or a 3-inch screen. It's useless to have an SDR with 3-inch screen. And that is still my opinion and will stay my opinion until somebody gives me one thing that is worth noting about it. The interesting part of these devices is that because they're computer based, they do definitely have possibility of getting, for example, noise reduction. You've seen my Chinese clone or device, DSP device. I don't call it a clone because I don't. It's not a clone for me. It's a Chinese DSP device. And yeah, the noise reduction feature is kind of very surprising, but it's not perfect. You're not gonna listen to most signals like that. And thinking that because you live in a high noise environment, it's gonna save your DXing is totally wrong. Thinking that a noise reduction of an SDR cancels high noise levels in your environment is not true. It's still noisy. And people that are in very noisy environments do not DX more with these devices. They do not get more signals with these devices. And, we got to put things straight. That is not the case. I think we put too much emphasis on this is a miracle device that can do so much. It's interesting devices. They are very interesting in what they can do. But no, I still like the good old knobs of a nice big portable radio or any portable radio, which for me works great and consumes less power because they don't have this screen to, they don't have this big lighted screen to give power to compared to, a standard portable. The ATS-25, the Malahit, the, whatever other device you're thinking of that is a portable radio with touch screen or a screen in general, I think it's for a class of people that want to have something unique, something different, and just have fun with another side of radio and what portable radios are. But it definitely, for me, does not replace a good portable radio in any way. And that's, personal opinion. I know a lot of people will say, well, no, you're not right. Well, you're entitled to your opinion. I got mine. And I think we got to put things straight about these devices. They are cute, they are nice, but they are, computer-based receivers that are portable. Maybe someday someone will bring up something that's really amazing. But they are just fun devices to play with. And I think people that are attracted to those are people that are already attracted also to a side of a radio that is closer to computers and radio than just radio itself. And I can bet you the majority of people will not buy these devices. They will stick with good old portables, whether they are PLL-driven portables that don't mute while tuning. Even though there is muting here, it isn't that bad actually. It's actually less of a problem on this device than it is on it's a lot of portables that are DSP based, honestly. Anyways, more videos coming up with reception, tuning around, and in the next 48 hours I should have a pretty extensive review of the ATS-25 receiver. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.